Hi viewers, now I am solving this problem chosen from ICSE syllabus 10th standard mathematics 6th chapter exercise 6D second problem. A stone is thrown vertically downwards and the formula D is equal to 16t square plus 4t gives the distance d meters that it falls in t seconds. How long does it take to fall for 20 meters? You can pause the video and read the problem once again. So, coming to the solution, we will collect what is given in the problem and what we want to find out. Given D is equal to 16t square plus 4t is the formula to find the distance at this time t, where d is the distance in meters and t is time in seconds. Now they had given that the stone has fallen for 20 meters. We have to find what is the time taken to cover this much distance. So D is 420 meters. This is given in the problem. We have to find T to cover this distance. That is T when D is equal to 420 meters. So substitute this D in the given formula. Then the given formula will going to be 420 is equal to 16t square plus 4t. Now let us rearrange this equation. We will going to get it as 16t square plus 4t minus 420 is equal to 0. Now we will reduce this equation so as to get the solution easily. So now 16 is divisible by 4, 4 is divisible by 4 and 420 is divisible by 4. So what we will do? We will divide both the sides of this equation. We will divide both the sides of this equation by 4. Then the equation will going to be 4t square plus t minus 105 is equal to 0. Now compare this with the quadratic equation. A square plus bt plus c is equal to 0. We will get a as 4, b as 1, c as minus 105. Now use the formula t is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a to find the time. So this is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 square minus 4 into 4 into minus 105 divided by 2 into 4. That is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 square is 1. If we bring this negative sign outside, minus into minus will going to be plus, and 4 into 4 into 105, you can find it out. It will going to be 1680 divided by 2 into 4 is 8. That is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1681 divided by 8. To find the square root of this number, group them from the right end. 2 digits we have to group. So 8116 or the 2 digits if we group. So now the square number which is less than or equal to 16 is 16 itself. 4 4s are 16. So we will divide that. 4 4s are 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. Now bring this 4 here. 4 plus 4, add them. 4 plus 4 is 8. Now take this 81 together down. Then we have to find what is the digit here. We have to write so as to get 81. Very clearly, if we take 1 1, then we get 81. 81 ones are 81. Subtract 0. So what we can conclude is that the square root of 1681 is 41. 41 square is 1681. So now this is equal to -1 plus or minus square root of this is 41 divided by 8. Now we have to split this number, that is equal to -1 plus 41 divided by 8 or -1 minus 41 by 8. This is equal to 41 minus 1 is 40 by 8 or -1 minus 41 is minus 42 by 8. This is equal to 5 or 8 does not divide 42 completely. If we reduce this, it will going to be minus 21 by 4. So for what we had found out this is the solution for t. So t is equal to 5. Either t is equal to 5 or t is equal to minus 21 by 4. So what is t? T is the time in this problem. Time cannot be negative. So this answer is not possible because this is a negative number. So t is equal to 5 is the solution for this quadratic equation, and we can conclude that t is equal to 5 seconds is the time required by the stone to complete 420 meters. Thank you for watching.